Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. BMW has pulled the rev off the facelift or LCI version of X6M and X5M, and boy are there some big changes. Up front is a whole new fascia with new headlights, a reset grille and a lower bumper, while the X5 comes with a new rear taillights. Production start in South Carolina, and pricing for the X5M Competition set at $123,295 and $128,195 for the X6M Competition. Under the hood is a S68 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system to make 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque to all four wheels via MX drive through an 8-speed gearbox. The mild hybrid system motor makes 12 horsepower and 147 pound-feet of torque. The V8 features a knee cross-bank exhaust manifold, strong crankshaft drive, and an e-blow-off valve, and much more. 0 to 60 happen under 3.7 seconds. There also is new exhaust system. Inside are some big changes as well as shorter gear ratio for the gearbox. Both the X5 and X6 gain iDrive 8 with a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a massive 14.9-inch infotainment display. The interior also gained new climate vents, new ambient lighting, and highway assist joined the optional driving assistant professional package. The system let drivers take their hands off the steering wheel on a limited access highway at speed up to 85 mph or 137 kph.